This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the locations of information and components on a slingshot with AutoDrive. Starting at the front of the vehicle, the hood release lever is located under the center LED light in the lower grille. Pull upward to unlatch the hood. Then, pull back on the underside of the hood above the center LED lamp to open the hood. At the front of the engine bay are the headlight adjustment screws and the air filter. On the driver's side of the engine bay are the brake fluid reservoir, fuse panel, and the maintenance sticker. The passenger side of the engine bay contains coolant overflow bottle, ignition coils, which sit over the spark plugs, engine oil dipstick, engine oil fill cap, another fuse box, and the battery. Moving to the interior, you'll find the adjustable seats. There is a lever on the bottom of each seat to allow forward and backward movement, and a lever on the side to allow the back to tilt. Tilt each seat forward to access the storage compartments. The compartments can be locked using the key that comes with the vehicle. Once in the driver's seat, you'll see the digital gauge, mode button, navigation buttons, tilting steering wheel, turn signal lever, and paddle shifters. The left paddle shifter will downshift, and the right paddle will upshift. The steering wheel houses the horn and control buttons. The audio controls on the left side include 2 volume buttons, 2 track navigation buttons, and a play or pause button. The control buttons on the right side can be used to resume or increase cruise control speed, set or reduce cruise control speed, enable cruise control, switch ride command menu screens, and enable slingshot mode. The center dash contains the ride command screen, engine start-stop button, electronic stability switch if equipped, hazard switch, interior light switch if equipped, headlight high-low beam switch, center storage tray, and the USB port. Below that you'll find the gear selector with reverse, neutral, drive, and manual modes, cup holders, another storage compartment under the armrest, and a parking brake. Between the seats is an accessory power socket and a battery charge port. On the passenger side of the dash, there is a lockable glove box. Inside the glove box, you'll find another accessory power socket and a USB port. In the passenger footwell, there is a tab to open and close the air vent. There is also a passenger grab handle on the right side of the passenger seat. Move to the back of the vehicle to find the drive belt and shock on the passenger side of the rear wheel, backup camera, and rear lights which feature running lights, brake lights, and 4-way flashers. The fuel cap is located on the body behind the driver's seat. The front headlights feature an auto on-off control, as well as the high beams. Slingshots also now feature hill hold control. The hill hold control function detects uphill and downhill start situations, automatically holding the vehicle for roughly 2 seconds after releasing the brake pedal, allowing the driver to simply press the throttle pedal and go. The VIN label is located on the driver's side chassis frame near the footwell. The VIN is also stamped under the windshield on the left side. For more information, see your authorized Slingshot dealer or visit slingshot.polaris.com.